Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to invite as guest voice only on Discord. So first, what you want to do is join to a voice channel first, just like so. Once you're there, go to the button here on your server and go click on invite people, just like so. So now you could invite them as guest voice only here on your Discord. So guests are automatically kicked when they leave the voice channel. They cannot see other channels in the server. Another option to do this is click on the create invite right here on the voice channel that you joined to, which is much more convenient and easier. Click on that and now open this link. So your invite link expires in 7 days. If you want to edit that, so you can go with the limits here if you want for just 30 minutes or never. And max number of users also up to you if you want 1 user or 5 users, something like that. If you're done with that, you just need to copy this so to only invite them here on the voice server. So when they leave the voice channel, they cannot see other channels in the server. So you just need to copy that link and paste it whenever you want or wherever. And just like that. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.